What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Truckin' Journey. I'm TruckerJim, coming to you from Greenwood, Indiana. I have been here since, well, the last few days of March, but today is the first day of May, so my entire April was spent in Indiana working on the Aldi account, delivering groceries, which I'll be doing that today. But before I start today's shift, I've got a few errands to run.
Don't you be a me, thought you wanted me to go. Why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dreamy, with it on a genie. I got fans finally, and she wanted me to see me. Don't you be a me, thought you wanted me to go. Why you tryna keep me teeny? It's a dream, with it on a genie. I got fans finally, and she wanted me to see me. I thought you wanted for my life. Said you wanted to.
Alright, so stop one is in the books here at the CVS. Took a little longer than I expected. So now it's time to continue on with our errands. We're gonna go by Aldi's, the one near the warehouse, and we're gonna stop by Vapor Madness, which is on the way back, and you will see another traffic circle. I don't know if Indiana has more traffic circles than any state in the union, but it appears they do, because they're everywhere. Oh, if the governor of South Carolina is watching this, or if anyone knows him, please forward this video to him. Governor, open up the barbershops. I need a beard trim. I've got so much hair upon my head. I need a bit of a trim, people. I should have got it cut a little shorter last haircut. But apparently there is no rush to open barbershops, gyms, or bars. Not that I'm necessarily wanting to do some heavy drinking, but I could definitely go for a little karaoke. Boom! Alright, we've made it to Aldi. I have it delivered to this store. This is the one right beside the warehouse. But there's the dock for it, one of those slanted down docks. But we're not going to talk about Aldi docks right now. We're going to go in the grocery store. Aldi's a little different when it comes to grocery bags. Like, they won't give you any like most stores do. And when I'm in the Chevy, I am totally prepared for that. I've got my reusable grocery bags. I don't have any in the truck. I've got a few, you know, the plastic bags that I use for trash bags. So I guess we're gonna buy another reusable grocery bag while we're in here. Those are available, so I'll have one in the truck. But instead of taking the big camera in, I'm just gonna take the iPhone. So we're gonna have a little, maybe a musical shopping trip to Aldi's, and we'll chat when I get back to the truck. Cool?
Tryna keep me teeny, it's a dreamy, with it on a genie. I got fans finally, and she wanted me to see. I thought you wanted for my life. Said you wanted to see me die. You lied, just say to me what you want from me.
Well, that didn't go exactly as planned. I didn't get very much. I got water, cheese, and cookies. That's it. The two main things I was going in there for is this hydroponic lettuce that they have. Instead of making sandwiches or whatever, I've been rolling things up in this hydroponic lettuce, and it's awesome. This Aldi didn't have it. And I was also looking for those, they're kind of like potato chips, but they're made with Parmesan cheese instead. At Walmart, they're really expensive. It's like $7 for a regular size bag that's mostly full of air. I saw them in the back of an Aldi's a few nights ago, and I was like, hey, next time I go into, one for shopping, I'm going to grab some of those, because I expect they'll probably be $3 or $4 at Aldi's. But this location didn't have it. Had many other types of chips, but no Parmesan cheese chips. And if I am indeed leaving Monday, I've already got some hamburgers, some lunch meat, a chicken breast, and a few other things I need to cook back at the room, so I didn't want to overdo it, because I'm very limited on especially freezer space. Dang, I didn't get ice. So we're going to have to stop at a truck stop or a gas station on the way back to get ice. But I'm going to make a quick little call to the vape shop, place my order, we'll pick that up, grab some ice, and then we'll head back to the room. Sound good? I'm good, man. I hope you are. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great day.
Will do. We got to wrap this video up, because I've got to get to the warehouse to do my shift. So this video is just a before shift type of video, but it is my expectation to do at least one more video for you guys while I'm here in Indiana. I hope you guys like this one. If you do, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. But until next time, be safe out there and keep on trucking.
Everybody going through a little something.